Here's how you can silence keyboard on the iPad. Let me guide you through it. And if you are new here and first time on a Foxtecc, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. So in the side of your main settings app on the iPad, you just scroll through the menus and I want you to go to the sounds, right? On the iPhone, it's called sounds and haptics, but obviously the iPads do not vibrate, so it's just sounds only. But the point is that you get inside, and at first we have the silent mode, which is pretty self-explanatory. If you enable the silent mode, no sound will basically be emitted from the iPad, including the keyboard clicks. But if you want to specifically play with that, and just scroll through a little bit, and there is a dedicated toggle for the keyboard clicks. And these are, the whenever you are tapping on the software keyboard on the screen, you might hear the sounds, as you're clicking, and that is how you can either enable it or disable it. For example, I personally keep my iPad in the silent mode all the time, right? So in my case, it does not even matter if I have the keyboard clicks turned on or not, because the whole iPad is silent basically 24/7. But if you don't like that approach, and if your iPad is sometimes in the regular loud mode, then this is where you can control the keyboard clicks. And of course, you can as well explore some third-party keyboard apps on the App Store, like Gboard or SwiftKey, and those have their own dedicated settings for the clicks and the sounds as well. So this obviously applies to the Apple keyboard only. So I hope it makes sense. I tried to explain it all in this video, so let me know what you think below. Subscribe for more tips and videos like this one, and I hope to see you later in the next videos too.